Come test drive the 2020 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.